Señora, la dama que tiene el nombre que dice test, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Let's go ahead and get started.
Mariana Juárez.
Mariana Juárez, Your Honor.
Okay. Good morning to you. Buenos días, Ms. Juárez.
Buenos días, señora Juárez, le dice el juez.
Juárez Hernandez.
Yes.
All right, LaDonna on the A12. What's your good morning to you. What's your first and last name, please?
LaDonna Rack, W-R-A-C-K.
W-R-A-C-K.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. All right, let's get going. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Angel Jose Acosta, case number SP 137-59421. Mr. Acosta, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Angel Acosta.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. I do have a note here. When are you going to be able to complete these community service? You got 2.5 hours done. You got about 9.5 hours to go.
I'll be able to complete it this. What's the Wednesday? I'll be able to complete it by next week.
All right, I'm going to give you 2 weeks to come back in, and we can close this matter out. Then, or will you have it complete by October 26th?
Yes.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Can do. Thank you.
Is Erica Perez here?
Aquí está la señora Erika Pérez. ¿Se encuentra presente? Erika Pérez.
All right, let's move on to, let's get the interpreter sworn in for Mr. Yusuf Yazar.
It's for Hassan Al-Bazal, is that correct?
So you're not here from Mohammed Musin?
No, Your Honor. I have Mr. Hassan Hussein Al-Bazal.
He's not here yet, I don't guess. What about Mr. Musin? Can you take care of him, or do you need to get another?
Yes, okay, yeah, he needs help, Your Honor. I can do that, no problem. I just need the case number, if you don't mind, please.
Okay, all right, the case numbers are gonna be SP 138-58141, SP 138-5806, counts 1 and counts 2.
580 what?
5806, counts 1 and counts 2. So it's 3
Okay.
cases.
Okay, all right.
All right. Can you give the correct pronunciation of your last name, please?
موساد.
ممكن تقول لنا ازاي بيتكتب اسمك اخر اسم MU.
Oh, yours, Mr. Interpreter.
Oh, mine, yes. Elsabai, E-L-S-E-B-A-E-I.
Elsabai?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Elsabai, can you state your name for the record and raise your right hand, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Yes, it was by the Arabic language interpreter for this case.
All right. Do you solemnly swear, good morning to you. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will translate from English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Mohammed Musa, case number SP 1385806, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1385841. Appearance for the record, please.
James Humphreys, P 38930, House Counsel.
السيد محمد القاضي ندى على القضية وأنا هكون المترجم بتاعك النهاردة. ده السيد جيمس هامفري، ده المحامي المحكمة معينة للدفاع عنه. اوكي فاهم؟
تمام.
اوكي.
Okay, sir, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Mr. Humphreys, can you get your client arraigned, please?
Your Honor, at this time, we waive reading of the information in this matter and stand mute.
القاضي بيقول النهارده الميعاد اللي كان متحدد للجلسه لعرضك على المحكمه لتوجيه الاتهام. المحامي السيد جيمس هامفري قال ان هو بيتنازل او مش عايز يكمل موضوع ان هو عرض الجريمه او الاتهام على المحكمه لاسباب هيشرحها. Go ahead.
All right, I'm going to enter a non-guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond.
القاضي بيقول ان هو هيحط مكان الاتهام اللي توجه لك، هيحط ان انت بتقول عن لسان المحامي بتاعك ان انت مش مذنب وان هيكون في مفيش غرامة اساسا او مفيش كفالة هتطلع بيها. Go ahead.
All right, I'm going to ask your client, is he going to be willing to do some community service at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center to clear this matter up?
القاضي بيسأل المحامي إذا كان موكله اللي هو حضرتك سيد محمد هيكون عندك استعداد إن أنت تقضي بعض أو تتبرع بعض الوقت تقضي فيه خدمة مجتمعية وتنتهي القضية بهذا الشكل. هو بيسأل المحامي. Go ahead.
You willing to do some community service to clear this up, sir?
هو اللي يسألني إذا بعمل الكوميونتي سيرفيس.
حضرتك تقبل ان انت تقضي خدمه مجتمعيه بعض الوقت الخدمه المجتمعيه وتنتهي القضيه على كده. موافق على الكلام ده؟
كم ساعات؟
القاضي اللي هيحدد.
يعني ما يقدرش يعطيني يعني تيكت غيرها، يعني يعطيني تيكت غير ثاني وانا اقدر بس ادفع لهم مصاري.
Your Honor, can I do pay a fine instead? Would that be acceptable by the court? No, today is you're in my court because you're in you got your ticket out of Southwest Detroit, and you have either option of doing community service to clear it up, or you can go to the your alphabet judge, whoever your alphabet judge would be, to see what kind of relief you can get from there. You have an absolute right to a trial, and I can let you speak to Mr. Humphreys in the breakout room regarding this. حضرتك العرض اللي بيقدمه القاضي ان انت تأدي بعض الساعات او بعض الوقت في خدمة مجتمعية، خدمة مجتمع عادة بيبقى عدد معين من الساعات القاضي هيحددها، يا اما هترجع مرة تانية للمحكمة الابتدائية اللي هي اللي اخذت فيها المخالفة، او يكون عندك او تطلب محاكمة كاملة. لو عايز محاكمة بيكون عندك محاكمة كاملة قدام المحكمة، وبيسألك إذا كان محتاج تتكلم مع المحامي بتاعك أو
إذا كان عندك أي اعتراض.
يعني ما بدي يعطيني ساعات كثير يعني على حاجة أنا قد عسيت عملت الريجستريشن والانشورن وكل شيء، بس هذه أول مرة يعطوني كوميونيتي، هذا الكوميونيتي سيرفيس أول مرة يعطوني كوميونيتي سيرفيس يعني في هذا
أوكي.
يعني من قبل يدوا لي بس تيكت وقالوا لي خلاص، بس يعني ما بدي يعطوني 20 ساعة 30 ساعة، إذا في يعني 10 ساعات 5 ساعات تمام.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor, I did provide all the proof of insurance and the registration and everything. And usually I was expecting to get a dismissal, but if regarding the community service, this is the very first time I'm doing that. I mean, can you tell me how many hours I can serve for community service?
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Humphreys. He can explain it to you, but if you have proof of registration and insurance, then we'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service for the disregard of red signal. And we will amend that to blocking traffic so you don't get any points on your license.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
السيد محمد دلوقتي القاضي بيقول لك لو انت قدمت اثبات ان انت كان معاك التأمين وكان معاك رخصة السيارة، هيدي لك بس 6 ساعات من هيدي لك 6 ساعات فقط لا غير.
أنا مكنت له.
نعم.
أنا مكنت له الريجستريشن والانشورن كل شيء، مكنت له.
اوكي، ما هو
بالإيميل مكنت له بالإيميل عن ماندي.
حبيبي أنا فاهم، بيقول لك في المقابل ده هيدي لك 6 ساعات بس لو حابب.
عادي خلاص.
Yes, I do accept the offer, Your Honor.
Okay, you don't have to join the room then.
Okay.
6 ساعات بس.
6 ساعات yes.
اوكي، وكيف يعني فيها اسمها الكليرنس بيبر.
هيحولها لك لتهمة أقل، وبالتالي ما فيش أي نقط على السجل بتاعك.
اوكي تمام. بس خلاص يعني ماشي، ما احتاجش كليرنس بيبر.
لا، هيبعتوا لك من المحكمة، ما اعرفش هو هيقول لك دلوقتي القاضي هتعمل ايه. Your Honor, do I need to have any clearance paper from the court regarding this?
I need to see the proof of insurance and registration. You can show that on the screen now.
حضرتك معاك التأمين والرخصة السيارة، ممكن تحطها على انت بعتها للمحكمة قبل كده؟
عملتها للإيميل.
Yes, I did.
اللي أعطوني.
Okay.
بس عادي، بس خذ الأوراق الآن.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor, I did email it to the email address that was provided to me by the court, and if you need, I can get it and show it on the screen.
Please show it on the screen.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. Who's on that iPhone? Who's on that iPhone? Who just zoomed in on the iPhone?
Wow.
Hello?
My name is Juan.
Your name is what?
Yes.
What's your name?
Es Arce.
Su nombre completo.
Es Juan Carlos Guardado Arce.
Juan Carlos Guardado Arce, Your Honor.
You see that?
He's in the 835 at the end.
Juan Guardado Arce.
Uh-huh.
And he signed in, it's seeming like on 2 devices.
Señor, usted está en dos dispositivos diferentes.
No.
Solamente en el que dice iPhone o el que dice Juan.
Yo no sé cómo, yo solo me meto por Zoom.
Oh,
Okay.
excuse me. My name is
Yo
Juan
estoy
too.
hello? I'm on the iPhone.
All right,
Hello?
well, now,
Hello?
yes, what's your name, ma'am?
Erica Perez. I need an interpreter.
We have one for you.
Okay.
Okay, y señor Juan, okay, Your Honor, Mr. The person that was talking is Juan. He only says Juan in his device.
Yes, okay. I have it now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Your Honor, Mr. Mossad, he put the proof of insurance on the screen. I don't know if you can see it, but
Now
maybe.
let's see what he has. I don't see him.
سيد محمد ممكن تقرب الكاميرا لو سمحت على الأوراق اللي معك.
Okay, let's see what he has.
تقدر تشوفني؟
أنا أقدر أشوفك.
Hold up, please.
ممكن.
هذه الريجستريشن.
اوكي قرب الكاميرا عليها عشان القاضي يشوفها.
Okay, I got that.
اوكي ماشي، ورينا الانشورنس التأمين.
Turn it over.
هذه الانشورنس.
That's the insurance policy.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna offer your client, Mr. Humphreys is in. Okay. I'm good. I see it.
خلاص هو شافهم يا سيد محمد.
Thank you.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
رقم تليفونك كام سيد محمد؟
313 417
اوكي
6600.
313 417 6600.
صح.
All right, I'm gonna offer you blocking traffic. That is a 0-point offense. You'll do, I'm gonna give you an option to do 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
اوكي القاضي هيغير لك الغرامة او المخالفة اللي انت عملتها لمخالفة تانية اقل منها اللي هي توقيف المرور. دي ما عليهاش اي نقط على السجل بتاعك. هتكون في عندك 6 ساعات بس من الخدمة المجتمعية، مفيش غرامات، مش هتدفع اي شيء، لكن هتقضي 6 ساعات خدمة مجتمعية في المكان اسمه Southwest Detroit Community Center. Okay?
Community
Center. Community Center. Yeah. Southwest Detroit Community Center.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead, sir.
كيف بيبعثوا لي الأوراق إني خلاص تمام؟
The number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center is 313-879-2155.
حضرتك الرقم ده تكتبه عندك سيد محمد؟ ده رقم
313 879
ايوه
2155.
ايوه هتتصل بيهم. Yes, yes, Your Honor. I got it.
Okay. I'm waiting on your lawyer to come on back out. I'm gonna give you until November the 2nd to complete these hours.
اوكي عندك لحد يوم 2 في شهر 11 عشان تقضي ال6 ساعات دول.
تمام.
اوكي.
You call them after you get out of court today, after this afternoon, and set up those hours, and they can get you those hours done and completed.
بعد ما تخلص المحكمة هتتصل بيهم وهم هيقولوا لك بالظبط ايه المواعيد اللي ممكن انت تحضر فيها تقضي ال6 ساعات بتوعك. لما بتخلصهم هم بيبعتوا للمحكمة ان انت بالفعل قضيت ال6 ساعات وخلص الموضوع على كده.
خلاص كيف بيبعثوا لي أوراق يعني إني جيت للمحكمة يعني proof.
Okay. Your Honor, will I get a proof after I got done with those 6 hours?
Yes.
لا أقول المحكمة يعني أوراق إني جيت للمحكمة وكملت المحكمة.
Okay, now what should I do with the court? Should I get something from the court that says that I already?
No, you would call the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. They're gonna get you all set up and tell you what you need.
اوكي لما هتتصل بالرقم اللي اعطيناه لك ده هم هيشرحوا لك بالضبط ايه اللي المفروض تعمل.
شكرا. خلاص ما فيش بوينتس.
لا
كل شيء مظبوط.
لا ما فيش بوينتس. يس.
ايوه شكرا.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Humphreys, your client has agreed to do the 6 hours. I saw proof of registration and insurance, and in lieu of the disregard the red signal, we'll offer him a blocking traffic, and hold on. We'll allow him to do 6 hours of community service.
All right, Yana.
Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
القاضي بيسأل إذا كان حضرتك هتكون على لازم تعترف إن أنت كان في مخالفة تم إصدارها ليك وتم تغييرها والمحامي قال إن هو موافق على الكلام. That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, and will your client stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
القاضي كمان بيسأل إذا كان في أسباب منطقية اللي خلت المحكمة إن هي تلغي لك المخالفة الأصلية. مظبوط الكلام ده؟ موافق؟
مظبوط.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm going to dismiss the other 2 matters. I've given him all the information for the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, and he has a return date of November the 2nd, 2022. He has that time to complete the date. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. Good luck to you. Get in touch with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon.
انتهت الجلسة على كده. حضرتك ممكن تتصل بالرقم اللي هو عطاه لك القاضي دلوقتي في المحكمة وهم هيقولوا لك بالظبط ايه اللي هيتعمل.
مع السلامة.
اوكي مع ألف سلامة.
شكرا يا أستاذ.
العفو حبيبي.
Thank you.
You are.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay, Ms. Glogowski.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Jimenez Gould, case numbers SP 1378988, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 137900011. Appearance for the record, please.
Rachel Glogowski, P74194. And Miguel, please state your full name.
Miguel Angel Jimenez.
Is he in need of an interpreter, Ms. Glogowski?
No, Your Honor. He's fluent in English.
Very well. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Does your client have proof of license, registration, and insurance, or at least proof of registration and insurance?
Yes, Your Honor, but we're respectfully requesting an adjournment. He is in the process of working to get his license back, which we think will probably take about 4 to 6 weeks. Would it be possible to get an adjournment until that time, please?
I'm going to give you, yes, of course. I'm going to give you another pretrial date on December 14th. 2022 at 8:30. Bring license, registration, and insurance.
Well, Your Honor, we appreciate that. Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day. Good luck to you, sir, and see you soon, Ms. Glogowski.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Palmer, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Your Honor. Hope you're having a good day. I think we need to talk to the prosecutor on the to see what he's got in mind.
Who's the client now?
Gomez, Zechariah Gomez, Armando Zechariah Gomez. He's here.
I just looking for him on the docket and I don't think I see him. Well, I don't see him yet. That doesn't mean he's not on here.
Your Honor, it's at the end of the second.
Pardon me?
At the end of the second page as Zacharias.
Hay que presente.
Okay, gotcha.
I am present, he said.
Oh. He needs an interpreter.
No, he's fluent in English, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Goss.
I would appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Mr. Goss and Mr. Palmer.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Any other lawyers? Miss Perez, let's see. Did Miss Perez finish those community service hours or is she still stuck at 4?
¿La señora Pérez terminó con sus horas de servicio comunitario o solamente sigue con las 4?
She's still at 4, Your Honor.
Ya las hizo, señoría.
This is the city of Detroit versus Erica Perez, case number SP 135-66191. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es la ciudad de Detroit contra el caso de la señora Erika Pérez, número de caso SP 135-66191. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Hola. James Humphreys, House Counsel.
Mi nombre es James Humphrey y yo soy el abogado de hoy para esta corte. Su nombre, señora.
For reviewing the matter, Ms. Perez, I'm sorry to hear you injured yourself, but how long do you think it's going to take you to finish these 4 hours?
Ok, hoy es el día y la hora agendado para la revisión de este caso. Lamento mucho, señora Pérez, que usted no haya podido terminar sus horas. ¿Cuánto tiempo necesita para terminar sus horas?
Pues yo puedo venir mañana. Lo que pasa es que me caí de la escalera y me falté mi mano y mi pie, entonces por eso no podía venir.
¿Venir es ir a hacer horas de servicio comunitario?
¿Mande?
Cuando usted dice venir,
Sí.
¿es venir a la corte o ir a la corte a hacer las horas?
Servicios comunitarios.
Okay, yes, I can come and the interpreter have to clarify. Where you meaning that you come or you go to do the hours? No, I will go to do the hours tomorrow. I just want to let known that I had a fall and I have, my foot and my wrist, not very good, but now I can go and do them.
Okay, I hope you're better. I'm gonna give you till October 26th to complete the hours, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day.
Espero que se mejore y le voy a dar hasta el 26 de octubre para que complete las horas. Y si no tiene más nada, se puede ya desconectar.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Ok, que tenga buen día.
Igualmente.
Same to you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Terrence Liddell George, case number SP 137-86671 and SP 137-91101. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Humphreys, House Counsel.
George, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yeah, yeah.
Terrence George, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Terrence George.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment. Mr. Humphreys.
Waive reading of the information in this matter, Your Honor. Stand mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. George, do you have insurance on this vehicle?
Yes, I do.
Do you have proof of that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Let's see what you have. Let me see here. Push it up a little bit further. And slide it over. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. As it relates to this failure to turn signal, I'll offer you a blocking traffic. That is a 0-point offense. And are you in Southwest Detroit? You are?
Yeah.
You want to do community service, 6 hours of community service, you don't have to come out any money. And we'll dismiss the ticket, you won't have any points on your driver's license.
How much money come out?
Well, since you're gonna be on my docket anyway, I'll let you pay $175.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'd rather pay $165 because I don't want to cut into my work time.
Okay, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Will your client stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find him responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. I'm gonna find him $175. When can you pay, sir?
I can pay today.
All right, I'm gonna, you pay that at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you pay it online. I'm gonna give you at least, 7 days so that payment can get through. That's gonna be, make sure it's in the day. But I'll just set the date as October the 19th. That gives the time, but if you pay it at any DivDat kiosk, or you come down to the court and pay it, then it'll go through immediately, all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, have a very good day.
Okay, I don't have to come back to court, just pay the ticket?
Just pay the ticket. If you don't pay the ticket, it's gonna mess your license up.
Okay.
Have a very good day.
Are you too?
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Lee Lovely. Case number 17-3377931. Appearance for the record, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
All right, Ms. Lovely, can you state your name for the record, please?
Lovely.
All right, Ms. Lovely, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I'm trying to work. I'm working on it now. That's why I came in here. Pay my bond.
You want to what? What's the problem with the license?
It was suspended.
But you have a counsel, Jeff Perlman. Where's your lawyer?
I don't have a lawyer. I didn't have a lawyer.
Well, it's listed that you have a lawyer down here. Your license is suspended. How many tickets do you have? Do you have any tickets in the other jurisdictions?
I paid them off already, so I'm just working on I paid all the other ones off. I'm just working with you. Trying to take care of that one.
What are you doing behind the wheel of a car, ma'am?
Wheel behind the car? I'm not driving. I'm sitting in my friend's car. I'm sitting in my friend's car.
Are you in the driver's seat of a car, ma'am?
Yes.
What are you doing behind the wheel of a car?
I'm not driving. I'm in my friend's car because I'm at work right now.
All right. You seem, I don't know if you can go to the Secretary of State, but this issue should not be affecting your driver's license. You need to go to the Secretary of State. I'm going to have you back. Give you an opportunity to get a driver's license. I'm going to have you back on November the 15th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. This should not be affecting you getting a driver's license. I suggest you go to the Secretary of State ASAP come back in here with a driver's license, I'll dismiss the ticket, all right?
Okay.
It's the last one on page.
Your Honor, Mr. Albazal is here. I think he just signed it.
Yes, he's here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where is his lawyer? You have a lawyer, don't you, Mrs. Albazan?
معك محامي سيد حسن؟
لا، هي المحامية اللي حكيت معاها اللي هن اعطوني الرقمة بالمحكمة اللي رحنا لعندها الروم، هي حتكون حكيت معها وقالت لي حتكون يوم المحكمة.
Yes, I did contact the lawyer that they gave me her number at the court.
بعتقد كيري شيء.
اسمها ايه؟
كيري أو شيء بعتقد يمكن.
Katie, maybe her name is Katie.
O me voy para el cuarto acá la pajuela. Voy a cambiar el pañal y la saque, le da comidita.
Well, he has a lawyer, so he's got to wait on his lawyer to come in. Let's see who this lawyer is. She'll be in. She knows. She mentioned yesterday she has to be here today. So we'll wait on that until
Okay. هننتظر المحامية بتاعتك.
يلا خير.
Fontenot. Mr. Fontenot. All right, let's move on. Lopez.
I'm here.
Alexis.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm here.
I need to see your face, sir.
Oh, okay.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alvin Craig Fontenot, case number SP 1366631. Appearance for the record, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
All right. State your name for the record, Mr. Fontenot.
Alvin Fontenot.
Fontenot, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. This is the use of public property or alley for paid parking of a vehicle. Now, I don't know what happened with this, one of these cases last time. Were you here already on this matter, sir?
Yes, actually, I was. And actually, my brother had my vehicle. He was driving my vehicle at the time, but it was parked in a different area. But he's here with me now.
All right, so you're gonna throw your brother under the bus?
No, just trying to get things squared away.
I know, by throwing your brother under the bus. That's what you're doing.
No.
That's what you're doing. You got a right to remain silent. You came in here and said it wasn't me, Judge. It wasn't me. They can't prove it. So you say, nah, it's my brother. Is that your brother there with you?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I gotta learn the rules of the game. Get one of these high-priced lawyers in here, Mr. Palmer or Mr. Humphreys, to teach you the rules of the game.
Well, we didn't have a breakout session or anything with them, so.
Well, you already told right in the, when you introduced yourself, you didn't even give me an opportunity to provide you with the lawyer. So that's not you. So, Mr. Goss, who wants to do 12 hours of community service and I'll dismiss the ticket? Who wants to do that? Y'all can break it up. You can do 6, he can do 6, or you can throw it all on your brother. He can do 12. Who wants to do the community service?
I'll do it, sir.
Your brother said he'll do it
Yes, sir.
with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice, Mr. Goss.
Yes, sir. I live in Southwest Detroit.
Mr. Goss. Mr. Humphries.
Yes.
So, yeah, your client's got a right absolute right to a trial. He needs to know that. The ticket is written in Alvin Fred Fontenot's name. What's your brother's name? What is your name, sir?
My name is Andre Fontenot.
Andre.
Yes, sir.
Mr. I don't know how that will be done to dismiss the ticket and put the ticket in the other person's name or what. Let's get some opportunity to allow Mr. Humphrey and Mr.
I'll see what officers are here. What's the
Who's that
officer?
talking?
Sir, don't mind me asking.
Allow Mr. Humphrey and Mr. Goss to figure that out. It'll be 12 hours of community service. Plead guilty to the ticket and we'll dismiss the ticket upon completion of the 12 hours of community service.
Okay, okay. Let me, we'll just stand tight. I'll see.
Thank
what
you.
officers we have checked in.
Fontenot?
Yes.
We'll see if we can work with it.
Can you hear me?
I would like to see if an officer is
I
checking.
think it's on Goss's end.
Improvement towards the.
Thank you, Miss.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can hear you. We're gonna pass it so they can let the lawyers figure it out. You want to speak with the lawyer in the breakout room?
Yes, please.
All right. Join the room, please. All right, Mr. Palmer, have you worked it out?
I have, Your Honor. We have.
All right. Your client need an interpreter?
He does not. He does not.
I think I already asked you that. This is the city of Detroit versus Armando Zechariah Gomez. Case number SP 1330104, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, Robert Palmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Gomez.
What did Mr. Goss do with the file?
You mean, what is the deal that we worked out?
Well, I think he told me, but I'll let you put it on the record, or I need the file. Today is the date and time set.
Today is the date and time set for pretrial, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Goss after a very understanding individual, I might indicate. He has agreed to dismiss the leaving the scene of the accident charge. And my client will tender a plea under advisement to no proof of insurance. I'd prefer it be no contest, but I don't really care. With the understanding that he will do 24 hours of community service, and at that time, the second charge be dismissed. The reason for that is that Mr. Gomez is legally pursuing his immigration status here. I know that to be a fact. His immigration attorney is a friend of mine, and the criminal charges really put a kink in that process. It's been a long and arduous task for him to do to get to where he's at. The actual event, he loaned his car to
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We won't even delve into that. Mr. Zechariah, this is the reason why you go out and hire yourself a high-powered lawyer, you know, and spend that money, and because you were very well represented today. I'll tell you one thing. I don't know what Mr. Palmer did or said, but obviously he convinced Mr. Goss to do something that he doesn't normally do, leaving the scene of property damage accident. That is a pretty significant offense. I wanted to get into, kind of potential character issues that it kind of displays. The court does understand how significant the immigration is, but it's still something that you could, that's something that you could avoid. So you need to thank your lawyer and make sure you keep him in your contacts for sure. You want to take this deal, sir? I'm going to give you an offer of amended counts of improper plates. There's no insurance. You have an absolute right to a trial, but you will do 24 hours of community service. I should make that more, but that's the agreement, and I won't exert my forces to make you do more. I'll leave it to what your attorney worked out with the city. You want to take the deal, sir, or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Okay.
You understand the maximum possible penalties of these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I'll take the 24 hours of service, sir.
I didn't ask you that, sir. I asked you, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, I understand, sir.
All right. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Okay.
That's not okay. Do you understand that, sir? Do you understand you have a right to a trial, sir, that you don't have to take this deal, that this is totally up to you in taking this deal? You have an absolute right to a trial. You have an absolute right to call witnesses on your behalf. Do you understand those rights, sir?
Yes, sir. I do, sir.
Okay, sir. Do you understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right? Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand, sir.
All right. Are you taking this offer on your own volition? Are you taking this offer because you are guilty?
Yes, I understand, sir.
Are you taking this offer because you are guilty, sir?
Yes, sir. Because I'm guilty, sir.
All right. I'm going to draw your attention to July the 27th, 2022 at around 12:25 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Panama and Tarna. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Maybe you didn't have occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police. So let me ask you differently. In that area, on that date and time, were you operating a 2006 Jeep?
Your Honor, if I might, I hate to interrupt, but he had loaned the car to somebody else, so he wasn't actually the driver. And then he did go to the scene when they called him and said his car was in an accident. He wasn't the driver. He didn't have any insurance on the car, but he was not the driver.
Okay, that makes a whole lot of difference. All right. So, sir, did you own a 2006 Jeep on that date and time?
Yes, sir.
Was that on that date and time? Was that Jeep properly insured?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Are you satisfied, Counselor?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate. With the stipulation of probable cause, Counselor, I will dismiss the other matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank
you. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-633-4022.
313-633-4022?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a phone number for the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. You have an ink pen, sir?
Yeah, I do.
All right, it's 313-879-2155.
Okay.
I need you to call them. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, and that ticket will be dismissed upon the completion of 24 hours of community service. You need to get in contact with the city attorney, with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon to set those hours up. I'm going to give you until November the 16th to complete those hours. I'll set a review on that date. Those hours are completed. We'll dismiss the ticket and we'll dismiss the other matter now. Do you have any further questions, sir?
No.
Your Honor, I have a question. Will the review date require an appearance or is that done automatically?
As long as he's completed the hours, he does not have to appear in order to you. You're actually relieved now from the case.
Well, I appreciate it, Your Honor.
If somebody wants to see it through, then that's more than.
That will be me, Your Honor. I will see it through. I'll make sure he does it. It's how I do business.
Just pop on in and we'll get you right out of here as long as he's completed.
Okay. So should he stay? Does he have to do anything more?
No, he's gonna be good. He needs to just contact them this afternoon when court is over. So give him till afternoon to get Mr.
I'll make sure he does it, Your Honor. Thank you for your consideration. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Gomez, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
Call me, Armando. Call me.
Okay.
All right. Lopez.
Señor López. Alexis López. Abra su micrófono.
Sí.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Alexis Lopez, case number SP 133-40841. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Alexis López, número de caso SP 133-40841. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Señor, su nombre.
Alexis Esaú López.
Alexis Esaú López.
Good morning, Mr. Lopez.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Humphreys, House Counsel.
Buenos días, su señoría James Humphrey, el abogado para el día de hoy.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Señor, ¿usted tiene una licencia válida de conducir?
No.
No.
All right, you want to do 12 hours of community service? We'll offer him an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the case upon completion of the 12 hours of community service. You want to do that?
Señor, si usted quiere hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario, yo le voy a cambiar el cargo a que usted dejó que alguien sin licencia manejara y después que cumpla con esas 12 de servicio comunitario le voy a dejar caer el caso. No va a tener récord.
¿O sí lo puedo pagar?
Can I pay it?
Speak with Mr. You can speak with Mr. Humphreys in the breakout room.
Señor, yo lo voy a mandar a hablar con el señor Humphrey en la sala en la sala de consulta privada.
Okay,
el señor Humphrey es su abogado.
Okay.
Your Honor, if I may, can we call Mr. Bazel's case next? Because I have another case with Judge Abraham at the Third Circuit Court.
No, because his lawyer isn't here yet.
Oh, she's not
Here,
there?
Your Honor.
Oh.
Oh, you are?
I'm here.
All right, very well.
Thank you. Perfect timing, Ms. Harris.
Let's get Mr. Lopez in the breakout room. Mr. Lopez, Ms. Hernandez, and Mr. Humphreys, can you join the breakout room, please?
And he never answered the question of whether or not he had a license. Is that the issue?
He said he did. He said he didn't have a license.
Yeah, he did.
12 hours of community service, and he'll be and we'll dismiss the ticket. He wants to know if he can pay. You know, he's got the last name L. We give him the benefit of the doubt because for the allowing for the community service. So speak to him, please. Join the room, Mr. Hernandez, Ms. Humphreys, Mr. Humphreys, and Ms. Hernandez, and speak to him. Lopez, he's in the room now.
But I don't get the invitation, Your Honor.
You got it already. It should be the same room.
I don't see the invitation to click on it.
Well, both of them, you should be able to go back to that room some kind of way. Mr. Humphreys, you as well. He went back. Now you should be able to go into room 2. I guess you go to more or something on your, hit more or something on your screen.
Okay, perfect. I got it. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be there. Bye.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Hassan Hussein Bazal. Case numbers S2-1-32492, counts 1 and counts 2, and U617-13421 and U629-06522. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yasser Al-Sabaid, Arabic language interpreter for Mr. Al-Bazal in this case.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sherika Harris, and good morning to your staff. P72832 on behalf of Mr. Al-Bazal.
You didn't interpret all that I said, Counselor. I mean, Mr. Interpreter, I called the case and the case numbers and stuff.
Yes, Your Honor. I was just waiting for the attorney to put her name on the record. صباح الخير سيد البزال. سيد حسن، أنا اسمي ياسر السباعي، أنا المترجم بتاع المحكمة، والمحامية بتاعتك موجودة معانا. القاضي نده على القضية بتاعت حضرتك. Okay.
صباح الخير. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Good morning, sir.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Ms. Harris, what is your client going to do?
القاضي بيقول ان النهارده كانت الجلسه متحدده جلسه تمهيديه للمحاكمه، وبيسال السيده هاريس ايه موقف الموكل بتاعها. God.
Okay.
I can't hear Miss Harris for some reason.
I did send a message to Mr. Goss regarding discovery. And I just sent that request to him. I discussed that with him this morning. We are requesting a final pretrial date, Your Honor.
السيدة هاريس المحامية بتقول إن هي بعتت طلب للسيد جاس على أساس حصول على بعض المعلومات الخاصة بالقضية، وقالت إن هي اتكلمت معاه النهاردة صباحا وبتطلب تحديد ميعاد تاني لجلسة تمهيدية للمحكمة. Go ahead.
Okay.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people.
في المحامي بتاع الادعاء بيحاول يتكلم مع القاضي.
Okay.
Your Honor, I do believe this is going to go to a trial, so I think it should go back to his affidavit judge.
المحامي الادعاء بيقول بيعتقد ان القضيه مش هتخلص دلوقتي وهتبقى في محاكمه بعد كده، وبالتالي بيطلب تحويلها للقاضي في المحكمه الجزئيه. Go ahead.
We had this discussion at our previous court date, Your Honor. My client would be inclined to do community service. I just need to review the discovery. So I have sent a discovery request, but I will leave it in the discretion of the court as to whether our final pretrial is before this court or the alphabet judge.
السيدة هارس المحامية بتقول إن اتكلمت مع موكلها وإن هو عنده الاستعداد إن هو يقوم بعملية يؤدي خدمة اجتماعية أو خدمة مجتمعية أو تطوع بخدمة مجتمعية، لكن بتطلب بعض المعلومات الخاصة بالقضية من محامي الإدعاء، وطبعا سايبة ده لتقدير المحكمة إذا كان هتنظر في العرض ده أو هتحولها للمحكمة الجزئية. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right, how much time do you need, counselor?
However long it would take for Mr. Goss to provide the discovery.
القاضي كان بيسأل المحامية محتاجة وقت قد إيه، فقالت الوقت الكافي لمكتب الادعاء إن هو يقدم لها المعلومات اللي طلبتها. Go ahead.
Okay.
The reason I'm going to keep the case is because one, he did agree to doing community service, and two, we've had the case so long, or the case is so long now. I don't want to have to pass that off on another judge. We need to get this moving along though and get it cleared up one way or another.
القاضي بيقول إن هيخلي القضية في المحكمة عنده، مش هيحولها لقاضي تاني لسببين. أول سبب إن المدعى عليه قبل بأن هو يقضي أو يتبرع يتطوع لخدمة مجتمعية، والسبب الثاني إن القضية كانت قديمة جدا ومش عايز يبعتها عند قاضي تاني ينظر فيها من أول وجديد. Go ahead.
So give me a final pretrial date. We're going to have some new rules coming out for trial dates to expedite the process. But give me a final pretrial date, Madam Harris.
Sorry, you wanted me to provide it, Your Honor?
Well, give me an idea of how long it'll take.
I would ask for 2 weeks, Your Honor. October 26th.
I need more time for discovery for that, especially for videos. Yeah.
All right, I'm going to give you 30 days. I am going to have you back on November the 15th. We're going to put it outside of it. November 15th at 8:30.
Okay. القاضي حدد الميعاد الجلسة اللي جاية هتكون يوم 15 في شهر 11 الساعة 8:30 صباحا، يعني شهر من دلوقتي تقريبا.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
حد عنده أسئلة؟
بحكي مع عفوا بحكي مع
المحامية.
Any questions?
بس سؤال، بحكي مع المحامية والله هي بتحكي كل شيء، بيجي بس
هي اللي بتحكي حضرتك مش انت.
Okay, thank you.
No questions, Your Honor.
All right. Well, that'll conclude it. We'll have you back on November the 15th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
انتهت الجلسة على كده، هترجع يوم 15 في شهر 11 الساعة 8:30 صباحا. شكرا.
Thank you.
We need an interpreter on that day as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
هيكون في مترجم كمان معاك يوميها.
إن شاء الله. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Alexis Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. What does your client want to do, Mr. Humphreys?
Yanni wishes to take it.
Let Mr. Hernandez interpret first.
He needs to.
Okay, vamos a volver con el señor Alexis López para que conste en el acta. Señor López, yo le ofrecí un buen trato de 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Señor abogado Humphrey, ¿qué desea ser su cliente?
He wishes to take the 12 hours of community service.
Okay, you
Él
wanna do
desea
this, sir?
tomar las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lopez?
Señor López, ¿eso es lo que quiere hacer?
Yes.
Sí.
Okay, Mr. Lopez, can you raise your right hand, please?
Señor López, por favor, ¿puede levantar su mano derecha?
Do you swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Lo juro.
I swear.
You put your hand down, sir.
¿Puede bajar su mano, señor?
Sir, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, usted entiende que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, ¿verdad? Un delito menor como este puede tener implicaciones el día que usted vaya a ajustar su estatus.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Usted entiende que este tipo de delito puede acarrear hasta 93 días de cárcel y hasta $500 de multa.
Sí.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Usted entiende que usted tiene el derecho de ir a un juicio si usted así lo quisiera.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y usted entiende que al tomar esta oferta que le estamos ofreciendo, usted está renunciando a ir a su derecho a ir a juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien más le ofreció alguna otra cosa diferente a lo que le estamos aquí diciendo en el acta?
No.
No.
All right, sir, let me draw your attention back to March the 29th, 2022 in the city of Detroit at around 7:55 p.m. In the area of Lafayette and Bealock, sir. Did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit police on that day?
Ok, señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día y la hora, el día 29 de marzo del 2022, alrededor de las 7:55 de la noche, en las inmediaciones de Lafayette, en la ciudad de Detroit. ¿Usted allí lo paró un oficial de policía?
Sí.
Yes.
On that date, sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Y ese día el oficial le pidió que le mostrara una licencia de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Y señor, por favor, señor, no pudo enseñarle la licencia, ¿verdad?
No.
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no pudo?
No tengo.
Because I don't have one.
Very well, sir. I'm going to find you guilty of the amended count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service. Upon completion, I'll dismiss the case. I need a good phone number, sir.
Ok, señor. Entonces yo lo voy a encontrar culpable de que usted dejó a alguien sin licencia a conducir, que es un cargo enmendado menor que el de no manejar sin licencia. Y le voy a dar 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Después de que usted cumpla las 12 horas de servicio comunitario, entonces le voy a dejar caer el caso, señor. Necesitamos un número de teléfono donde nos podamos comunicar con usted. ¿Aló?
313.
Ajá.
707.
Ajá.
1366.
Ajá. Ok. 313-707-1366.
Okay. He needs to take this number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center and call them this afternoon. The number is Trace Uno Trace. 879-2155. I'm gonna give him till November. I'm gonna give you till November 9th to complete the community service hours. The review date is 8/25. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave and good luck to you.
Ok, señor, entonces usted tiene que tomar este número 313-879-2155 y llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit esta misma tarde para coordinar de sus horas de servicio comunitario. Yo le voy a dar hasta el 9 de noviembre para que haga las horas de servicio comunitario. Y tiene que volver a conectarse aquí el día 9 de noviembre a las 8:25 de la mañana.
Ok.
¿Ok? Si no tienen ninguna pregunta, ya se puede desconectar. Eso es todo por el día de hoy.
O si, aunque haga todas las horas, siempre tengo que regresar a la corte.
Your Honor, if I do my hours before November the 9th, anyhow, I have to connect on that day or don't?
You don't have to connect as long as I get that report from the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center that your hours are complete. You may want to see it through, but that's up to you.
Ok, señor. Mientras que yo reciba la confirmación del Centro Comunitario del Suroeste de Justicia Comunitaria del Suroeste de Detroit de que usted hizo esas horas, usted no se tiene que conectar a menos que usted quiera ver hasta que llamen su caso y que ya lo cierren, usted quiera ver. Pero mientras que ellos me manden que usted completó las horas, no tiene que.
Ok.
¿Ok?
Ok, gracias.
Ok, ¿alguna otra pregunta?
No.
Ok, any other question? No. Thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Ok, señor, que tenga buen día. Se puede desconectar.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Alvin Fontenot. Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss, on behalf of the people.
All right, Mr. Humphreys, did you get an opportunity to speak to Mr. Fontenot and his brother in the breakout room?
No, Your Honor, you were waiting for Mr. Goss because you wanted to have Mr. Goss to indicate how they could amend the ticket so that it could be in the brother's name, etc.
Well, this is one of those situations, I don't know. It seems like this is an event that kind of happens regularly. I don't know, in this area over here. Seems like something is going on in this area where I guess this parking is at a premium at this date and time, because I've seen this ticket written this way a couple of times, and I don't think it was specifically for this date. What's if you don't mind me asking, what's going on over there?
And then I just want, Your Honor, if I may, Corporal Croxton, I didn't get to speak with. I would just like to know who Corporal Croxton is here for.
Yeah, Honor, are you talking to me or the lawyer?
Well, now he's taking that, what I told him to heart, Mr. Humphreys. He's not saying nothing until he talks. I can give you a top opportunity to speak. Why don't you guys all go in the breakout room, Mr. Goss, Mr. Humphreys, and Mr. Fontenot, and go in the breakout room and discuss this, all right?
That's what I
All right, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Ms. Rack?
Yes, I'm here.
You have an absolute right to you don't have to say anything to incriminate yourself, ma'am. But I ask you, you can just answer. Do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I don't.
So what's the problem?
I'm kind of working on the other two things. But I did just put my car in my name and everything, and I have the paper right here.
So let me ask you this. So you got a car, right?
Yeah, and I just got it.
And you get a car before you get a driver's license? How does that work in your mind?
And not good. I just say, I can really say that.
Where, or have you got any other tickets in any other jurisdictions?
Far as in, just only not the insurance, and I just did the registration, and then just only insurance.
What other courts have you gotten tickets in?
It was all in the same place, just in the same place. I mean, I got the other paper sitting right here too.
Run our driver's license, please. Rack.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see what your driving record looks like.
Okay.
Well, why can't you go get a driver's license, man? You got the wherewithal to get yourself a car. Why can't you get a driver's license?
I can't.
That's not as important to you, is it?
Yeah, it's important.
It wasn't as important as in getting that car.
Yeah, I know.
Do you have any kids, ma'am?
Yeah, I have one.
4 kids?
No, one, just one.
Okay. You need to get a driver's license. I'm gonna give you an opportunity to do that. But you, are you in Southwest? You're in Southwest Detroit over there, aren't you?
Yes.
Will you agree to do some community service upon completion of this case?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a driver's license. I'm gonna wait till your attorney comes back. You got a good driving record here. I hope you keep it that way. How soon can you get to the Secretary of State, ma'am?
Soon as possible, when I have the money. I mean, I don't have it at this very moment to do.
Yeah, you spent it all on the car.
Yeah, I did.
Spent every dime you had on that car, didn't you?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
All right, let's pass that now. We haven't caught the case yet, Mr. Humphries. I'm just seeing where Miss Rack was at on her driver's license. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Fontenot. What's gonna be the resolution to this?
Your Honor, at this time, I'm moving to dismiss the charge. I had a good conversation with Mr. Fontenot, and I'm confident that this is not going to happen again. So I'm going to dismiss this matter, Your Honor.
All right. Well, let me ask. What's going on over there? What kind of? Am I missing something?
That same Southwestern reunion that we had a few weeks ago.
Southwestern High School?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, that's why I didn't get the memo. I didn't graduate from Southwestern, so. Well, did both of you guys graduate from Southwestern?
No, sir. Actually, I went to Cass. My brother went to Southwestern, but I know a lot of people.
You went to Cass, you know, and then your brother, that's why you threw your brother under the bus. All right, I see what it is now. All right, well, I'm sure that, you know, your brother appreciates you letting him use his car. But I mean, you know, you guys are very well educated guys, I see. And you got to learn, you know, you got a right to remain silent. You don't got to drag your brother in and say he did, you know, he did it, you know. You talk to Mr. Humphries, you get to know Mr. Humphries up there. He's one of the best lawyers this city has. You need to make contact with him. He can try to teach you some rules to the game. But I'm sure Mr. Humphries is not going to, or you're not going to object to the dismissal of this matter, right?
No, Your Honor. Dismissal on behalf of the defendant.
We'll dismiss per the recommendation of the Corporation Counsel, and have a very good day. And good luck to both of you.
Your Honor, can I get stipulation of probable cause?
Can we get a stipulation of probable cause on any clients we have, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, very well. If there's nothing further, case is gonna be dismissed. Have a very good day, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right, thank you very much. All right, we'll see you guys.
All right.
All right, Ms. Rack, let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus LaDonna Jean Rack. Case number SP 1311649, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 138435551. Appearance for the record, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel. State your name, ma'am.
State your name for the record, ma'am.
Say my name.
Yes, please.
Yes.
Oh, LaDonna Jean Rex.
There you go. Thank you. Good.
There you go. Ms. Rack, I had some conversation with your client, Mr. Humphreys, and Ms. Rack, she has a spotless driving record, but she doesn't have a driver's license, but she bought herself a car. I said, wait a minute, it's more important to get a car than a driver's license, right? And she fessed up, she wanted that car real bad. But maybe that's why she doesn't know how to abide by the laws if the cases are correct. What I'm gonna do, and your client did agree, if there is some kind of resolution to this as far as some sort of plea of responsible or plea of guilty. Your client did agree, didn't you, Ms. Rack, that you'll do some community service to clear it up?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll say this now. If Ms. Rack comes in here with a valid driver's license, registration, and insurance for this vehicle, I'll let her do 6 hours of community service. That'll keep that driving record spotless by amending the speeding ticket to a blocking traffic. And you do 6 hours with the Community Justice Center. But until that time, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to get that necessary stuff, okay?
Okay, can I show you, I wanted to show you that I just put the car in my name and everything.
I don't wanna see that now. You already told me that you put the car in your name. I want you to get a license and insurance. And you can show me all at one time.
Okay, I see.
She said she spent her last dime on that car. Don't drive that car until you get a driver's license. So you have to catch the bus or Uber or get a ride to the Secretary of State. It appears that your client is eligible for a driver's license. She indicated that finances are a little bit tight for her right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a pretrial date for 60 days. Is that gonna be good enough, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for 60 days out and 12/14/2022 at 8:30 a.m. Bring driver's license, insurance, and registration. Are you working, ma'am?
Yeah, quite, but yeah, I would say yeah, but
That doesn't sound too convincing.
it's not a legitimate job, but I'm also doing work first.
Do you have a high school diploma or GED?
I got a high school diploma.
Do you want to take the opportunity to talk to people over there at the Carpenters and Millwright Center? I had an opportunity to tour the facility. It's on Webb and 96 in the city of Detroit. And they have a multi-million-dollar facility over there. It is a skilled trade job. You'll have to be signing up to be in an apprenticeship course that generally takes you 4 years. Upon entry into the course, they will get you immediate work. It's a big commitment, but the pay, once you complete the course, it pays $38 an hour. And they'll teach you everything you need to know about being a carpenter or millwright, whatever one you choose. And you'll be able to take that skill anywhere in the world and make a very, very good living. Would you be interested in calling somebody over there, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. Do you have an ink pen?
Yes, I do.
How old is your child?
He's 4. He just turned 4. He just turned 4. Oh, somebody.
All right, I can what I can say about this one. What I can say about this is that your child is 4 years old, about to enter kindergarten probably. If you take the time out and the dedication to put this 4 years up, before your child gets into junior high school and things like that, you could be making $150,000 a year. That is no. I am a skilled trade journeyman pipe fitter myself, and before I got this job, I worked at Ford Motor Company, and I got my apprenticeship. Went through my apprenticeship there. And you'll actually be making more than the people in the auto industry, because the people on the outside make more and are, quite frankly, I'll give it up to them. They're better skilled than I am because they do more of the work. But you can make $150,000 a year easy.
Okay. But
you have to put forth the commitment. And it's going to be on you. The people over there will get you introduced. You have to take a test. And you'll have to do those things, but if you put that commitment up, ma'am, is really a life-changing thing. And that car you got, you'll be upgrading. I don't know what kind of car did you get?
It's a Chevy Cavalier 2002.
All right, you'll be upgrading that Chevy Cavalier and rolling like Mr. Humphreys or somebody with the Cadillac.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready to upgrade.
Look at all them cars Mr. Humphreys got back there. You know, he's got them all. You know what I'm saying? All right, I want you to take this number down. The man's name over there is Jerry Carlisle. Jerry. And his phone number is 248-891-5409.
Okay.
You see, I got Mr. Humphreys writing this number down because he's like, shoot, I might hit him up too, right? It's a good job. I mean, anybody would, it's a really life-changing job. And I tell you, before your kid gets into high school, when all of the real stuff comes up, when they want the different type of clothes, when they're ready to ask for a car, when they're ready to do, you can put yourself in the position to be able to provide. Now, you don't have to spoil them, but I know you are, so call Mr. Carlisle over there, 248-891-5409, and you can tell him that you got the number from me, brought my name over there, and I hope you try and explore that avenue now. So I'm giving you till December 14th, 2022. I indicated on the notes here that if you bring a driver's license, insurance, or registration for this speeding ticket, I'll offer you blocking traffic. That'll be a 0-point offense, and you do 6 hours with the Community Justice Center over there. I need a good phone number from you.
It's 313-285-7235.
All right. Do you have any questions, Ms. Bragg?
No, I don't.
All right. If you don't have any further questions, then you are free to leave. But if you find yourself difficulty getting in contact with them over there, then you call my court, we'll make sure that happens, okay?
Okay. Oh, alrighty, thank you.
All right, and have a great day, ma'am. Good luck to you, okay? See you back on December 14th.
Oh, all right. Oh, I'm sorry. What time is it gonna be? I just want to write down the time.
8:30.
Oh, 8:30. Okay. Alrighty.
All right,
Thank
if it's nothing further, have a very good day.
All right, you too.
All right. Well, I just want to print out some more.
No, you fine. I got it.
Sanchez. You signed in as Donna Sanchez, but I think it may be Juan Sanchez.
Yeah, good morning, Your Honor. I accidentally did. I was on her computer.
All right, don't worry about it. Good morning. You don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
No, I don't.
What is Juan Manuel Sanchez, correct?
Correct. Yep.
You look like you need that number over there too.
What was that?
How are you, sir?
I'm good. It's a long story behind that ticket.
You want to tell your story to Mr. Humphreys and see if he can help you? Mr. Bennett, Officer Bennett, I don't have anything for trial set for you today. I don't see anything here.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, I had, well, it has two courtrooms and it's not in Judge Home, El Bazi.
El Bazi, he's got a final pretrial date of 11/15/2022. It wasn't set for any trial though.
Okay, Your Honor, I'm good with that.
Okay, if there's nothing further, have a great day. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Manuel Sanchez, case number SP 135532001, SP 136802221. Appearance for the record, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
All right, as a purpose, can you state your name for the record, sir?
Yeah, Juan Manuel Sanchez.
All right, as purpose of arraignment, counselor.
Waive reading of the information in this matter, statute.
All right, I'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. I will, if I can ask your client, does he have, this is do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yeah, I do.
Run his driver's license, please. Juan Manuel Sanchez. Do you have valid insurance?
That wasn't my vehicle. That was my cousin's. They signed me up for his ticket, and they basically put my name on his ticket. He had everything. He got the insurance. He got the registration and everything.
Where is that? Can you get a copy of it for us?
He just left out of town, but I could go to his house and go get it.
All right, I can give your client an opportunity to pick up that. Let's see if his driver's license is good. I can give your client an opportunity to go get that documentation and bring it back. If the documentation is not up to what we want to see, be willing to do some community service to clear this up?
Yeah, I could do that, but it's basically he was driving and
I don't want to know the specifics, sir. You can speak to here, speak to him. He wants to speak to you, Mr. Humphreys. So let's speak, but you let him speak to you. Join the breakout room, please.
All right.
What's going on?
Thank you. I know I already.
Hey, Jeff. How you doing?
You all right?
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Now what you getting, I don't know what to tell you.
Mr. Gutierrez, Eduardo Gutierrez.
Yeah, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning. What's your date of birth, sir?
It's November 10th, 2003.
You have a driver's license, sir?
No, I don't.
Do you have valid registry? Do you have insurance?
Yeah, I do. You want to see it?
Yeah, hold on a second.
Yeah.
What's the problem you getting a driver's license?
I can't get one.
Okay. All right. You want to do 12 hours of community service and clear this up without a misdemeanor record, no points, no abstraction?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll do the hours.
All right, we'll put it on the record. If you want to speak to the lawyer about it, we'll let you speak to the lawyer as well, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Well, we don't set up the payment plan. You would have to call it. Giving you, they give out a rock, they give us a roster. And I'm giving you a roster. All right, you would have to go to the main line, which is now 6,2400, wait for our answer. For them to connect you, but I'll give you what I have. That's what I have. Okay, I know it's. And do you need an extension to pay? Okay, well, okay. Set it to tomorrow. What's your case number? What's your driver's license? Hold on. Why you can't come to court tomorrow? That's why you got to review. Talk to the judge. It's like, hey, that's why he gives you the review. That's why he gives you the review. It's dismissed upon payment. And so once you pay it, it's dismissed. If you come to court tomorrow, just talk to me. That is fair. You're happy. Just come to court. Come to court tomorrow and talk to the judge. Okay? All right. I see you tomorrow.
Okay, well, let's go back on the record with Juan Sanchez. Mr. Sanchez, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout rooms. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Mr. Humphries, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, on behalf of my client, he's in a not guilty plea. Asked the matter be set over to whatever judge his name references.
He doesn't want to bring the documentation in?
There's an issue, Your Honor. He was a passenger and they issued him this ticket for not having a driver's license.
Well, I got thing, then he's got a driver's license, okay? So all I'm concerned about is the insurance on a vehicle. If he wants to bring the insurance in, we'll dismiss the case. If he doesn't, if he wants to go to the other court, I can let him go to the other court if he's got a bone to pick.
Oh, no, I can bring the insurance in.
All right, can you bring it in next week, sir? Is that, you know, what do you want to advise him, Councilman?
He says that he'll bring it in. And so if you could give him a date, another date.
Can you bring it in next week on the 19th?
Yeah, the 19th is perfect.
All right, we'll set a pre-trial October the 19th, 2022. Bring valid insurance, all right?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Just come in at the first thing and we can get you out real quick with that, all right?
All right, appreciate you, Aaron.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus El Guadro Gutierrez Angels.
Yes.
Case number SP 1385951, SP 1385942, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Eduardo Gutierrez Angeles.
James. Okay, hold on. James Humphreys, House Counsel. Please state your name, sir.
Eduardo Gutierrez Angeles.
All right, I spoke with your client off the record. He indicated that he didn't have a valid driver's license. He also indicated that he would be amenable to do 12 hours of community service for this driver's license never acquired. I told him we'll dismiss upon completion of 12 hours of community service, and we'll dismiss the other 2 cases today. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
You have an absolute right to a trial. You have an absolute right to speak to Mr. Humphreys in a breakout room. Let's get the arraignment. As for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Waive reading of the informations in this matter, Your Honor, and stand mute.
All right, well, they're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Your client a $0 bond. And if you want to take the deal, sir, raise your right hand, please.
I'll take the deal.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
Or you can put your hand down. Is Whitaker over there in Southwest Detroit? I'm thinking of Houston Whitaker I'm thinking of Houston Whitaker on the east side. All right. Do you understand that you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense, immigration issues?
Yeah, I understand.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yeah, I understand.
You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yeah.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yeah, I understand.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record? Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record, sir?
What do you mean?
Now, has anybody offered you anything other than what I said I'll do today? Allowing and
no, you understand. Yeah, I get it.
Nobody's offered you anything?
No.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention back to September the 1st, 2022 at around 8:23 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Chamberlain and Lawndale, sir. Did you have an occasion to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department that day?
Yes, I did.
On that day, sir, did that officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, you did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
Because I don't have one.
All right, sir, I'm going to find you guilty of the admitted count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Stipulation of probable cause, counsel. I'll dismiss the other matters now.
Okay, thank you.
Counsel, for that stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now, Mr. Humphrey. Mr. Humphries, with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulate on behalf of defendant.
Okay, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of allowing. I'm gonna order you to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay.
Upon completion of those 12 hours, I'll dismiss this case. Well, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-412-5236.
You have to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
313-879-2155.
Okay, can I repeat it to you, just in case I got it right?
Yes, yes.
313-879-2155.
2155, correct.
Okay.
I'll give you until November the 9th.
November 9th.
Complete those hours. Set a review at 8:25 a.m. If there's nothing further, you just give Mr. Phillips over there a call at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center this afternoon to set those hours up, all right?
Okay, and so the other 2 tickets got dismissed, right?
Yes.
Okay, so once I complete my 12 hours, right, I'll be good?
This case will be dismissed, yes. You won't have anything on your record.
Okay, and I gotta come back November 9th at 8:25, right?
If you completed the hours, you don't necessarily have to come back, but if you haven't, but you can come back to see it through the dismissal, yes. I'll get you in and out.
Yeah, I'll come and I'll just come back to.
Very well. Have a great day, sir. If you don't have any further questions, good luck to you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay. This is good here. This is the City of Detroit versus Mariana Urias Hernandez.
Oh,
Yes, I'm here.
Your Honor, what about me?
You're in line. I got you in line, sir.
Oh, I've been here like over an hour and a half. That's why I thought you skipped me or forgot about me.
I know you go to the doctor's office, don't you?
Me?
Yes.
No, I'm in a counselor's office at a rehab place.
No, what I'm saying is when you go to the doctor's office, you have to sit and wait sometimes.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, we just wanted to make sure the counselors here wanted to make sure we're
Yes, for Michael Young.
I can hear you, Mr. Humphries.
All right, I've just won, right?
All right, let's go. This is City of Detroit versus Mariana Urias Hernandez, case number SP 138824441. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, este es el caso de Detroit contra la señora Mariana Juárez Hernández, caso número SP 138-82441. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Diga su nombre, señora.
Mariana Juárez.
Mariana Juárez.
This is their date and time set for arraignment on the matter. Counselor, go ahead.
Ok, este es el día estipulado para la lectura de cargos. ¿Cómo desea proceder, señor abogado?
Humphries, arraignment.
Waiting of the information in this matter, Your Honor, stand mute.
Permanecemos en silencio y cedemos la lectura formal.
Okay, at this time, I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm gonna dismiss the case because she paid related civil infractions.
Ok, en este momento, yo voy a someter una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre. Voy a poner una fianza de $0 y voy a desestimar el caso porque ella ya pagó una infracción civil. Ya no tiene caso. Thank you.
Gracias.
All right.
Thank you. Ya se puede retirar, señora.
There's nothing further, ma'am. You have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Si no tiene más nada, señora, puede ya retirarse.
Ok, gracias.
¿Ah? Okay, thank you.
Okay, now you're up, Mr. Bogby.
Wow, good morning, Your Honor. You got it right. Not too many people get it right the first time.
Thank you. You see how that worked? You interrupt me while I'm doing my job and you get called next.
Man, no, I didn't mean to do it like that, sir. I'm in a rehab place right now, and me and my counselor, were wondering if we got overlooked. That's it.
No, you didn't get overlooked. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eiley Bhakti.
Yes.
Case number SP 137-32261, 217-12423, 217-12424, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel. State your name, sir.
Ilie Bogde, Your Honor.
I messed up the first one, huh?
Well, in English, it's Eli, but I was born in Romania, so I came here when I was real young. But Eli in English.
Elite in Romanian?
In Romanian, it's Ilie Bogde, but you got the last one right, which is very rare. So that's, I give you credit for that one.
All right. All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment in the matter, Mr. Humphreys.
Roy, reading of the information, stand mute.
And the other cases are in warrant status.
Ask that the warrants be recalled. All matters set for the same date, time for resolution.
We'll enter non-guilty pleas on your client's behalf. We'll give them a $0 bond. We'll recall all the warrants. This is the case where Mr. Bogby indicates that he's in a treatment facility now. Some sort. And I don't know. Why don't you speak with, you live in the Southwest Detroit area, sir?
Your Honor, I live in Westland, but right now I'm in a treatment at Christian Guidance Center over here. My counselor can attest to that. He's right here.
Yeah, I'm concerned about if you wanted to do some community service or how that'll get done.
Oh.
Why don't you speak with Mr. Humphreys in the breakout room? That entering without permission, Mr. Humphreys, is really the hang up here. It's they don't want to give an offer. I can let you speak to Mr. Goss about that. Let's speak to Mr. Bogby first. Hold on. Speak to Mr. Bogby first about facts and circumstances. You can let me know what he wants to do, whether he wants to resolve it, whether he's going to try to do a trial, or whatever he wants to do. Speak to him, and then after that, we can get you speak to Mr. Goss as it relates to maybe some sort of whatever you can do for him. All right. Talk to the lawyer first, Mr. Bogby. All right.
Yeah, thank you, Your Honor. You're awesome.
All right. Mr. Goss.
What do I do? Join?
Join the room, please.
Oh.
Mr. Guardado.
Señor Guardado Arce. Señor Juan, ponga la cámara para verlo. Gracias. There he is, Your Honor.
You want to do 12 hours of community service to clear this up, sir? I see you paid 2 related civil infractions on some other matters, but you continue to get tickets. You want to do 12 hours of community service to clear this up?
Señor, ¿usted quiere hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario para terminar con este caso? Yo veo que usted ha pagado otras tickets civiles porque sigue recibiendo tickets. ¿Usted quiere hacer 2 horas de servicio comunitario para terminar con este caso?
Yo diría que mejor lo puedo pagar.
I would rather pay.
Trying to get Mr. Goss in here right now.
Vamos a llamar al señor Goss para que se presente.
Mr. All right, let's go back on the record, Mr. Bogdy. Did you have a good conversation with Mr. Humphreys, Mr. Bogdy?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
I figured you would. Not only is Mr. Humphreys a very, very good lawyer, he's a very nice guy as well. When you don't get on his bad side, though. I'll tell you that.
And so are you. I've been watching you.
Thank you. You probably want to speak to Mr. Goss on this matter. Is that correct, Mr. Humphreys? Or
No, Your Honor, the defendant wishes to plead guilty and he's willing to do the community service. He just would ask the court alive to do it after December 7th, which is the date he's released from his treatment center.
how is the treatment going, sir?
Great. I've been here a month, a little over a month, and I got a little over a month and a half left. So my out day is December 7th from here. It's Christian Guidance Center. Very good professional people here.
So I really appreciate the fact
Yes,
that
sir.
you are you seem very, very, very committed to that. That's,
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
Mr. Humphreys, you're interrupting the court.
That's correct, Your Honor.
He's got-
Correct.
Mr. Humphreys,
Give me one of those Cadillacs from interrupting the court.
yeah, tell him to give you one. In the meantime, he's interrupting here, but he's trying to do double duty. I still need Mr. Goss in here. In the meantime, let me pass this matter one more time and introduce Mr. Humphreys to Mr. Garridando. And he indicates to the court that he just wants to pay. I guess that's why I want Mr. Goss in here. He's already paid 2 related civil infractions, but he's got 2 separate cases.
Por eso es que quiero que el señor Goss venga para acá, porque el señor Guardado Arce ya ha pagado 2 infracciones civiles, pero tiene otros 2 casos pendientes. Yo necesito que llegue aquí a la corte el señor Goss para discutir esto.
Mr. Phillips.
Yes, sir.
What's going on? I guess you can't answer this, but you guys have detailed it in the summary with Ms. Escalaro. It appears that running into some more difficulty, huh?
Yes, that was in our conversation with Ms. Escalaro.
Where's Ms. Quinteo? Where's Ms. Quinteo?
She's on the way to Puerto Rico, Your Honor.
Oh, my God. Well, too bad. I'm not there.
Me either.
We always say some people are luckier than others, huh?
Hey, yeah, she's luckier than we are right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got a couple of sons down here. Maybe they can send some pictures.
We can put this case on the record here. This is the city of Detroit versus Quinette Hernandez, case number SP133-26081. Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I have evidence that Mr. Hernandez was completing community service. So with that completion, I'm going to dismiss that case. All right.
Thank you.
All right, let's get Mr. Goss. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Bhakti. Mr. Goss, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Dante Goss on behalf of the people.
All right. I'll say Mr. Bhakti has talked to Mr. Humphreys. He has 4 cases, the main one of which is a entering without permission. He is in a residential treatment center. He does have some time to go on that, maybe another month or so. He has indicated to the court that he is willing to do community service upon his successful completion of that treatment center, and court really feels that Mr. Bogby is setting himself up for Humphreys. I mean, I'm getting the background, all the background from your device. So for this EWOP ticket, I do have an actual ticket in front of me. The remarks are addresses of 7620 Michigan Avenue. What is the city's position on this EWOP? He also has a blocking traffic and an improper license and an unregistered untitled. What's the position on the EWOP ticket, Council?
Your Honor, the position of the city for EWOP tickets is to only take it down to a disorderly conduct, and there's no dismissals or delayed sentences on that, Your Honor. That's one of the targeted cases for the city.
And okay, so that is a reduction, sir, to a disorderly conduct. You indicated that you want to take the deal. What about, are you willing to dismiss the other 3 matters?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You want to take that deal, Mr. Bogdan? I'll let you do 12 hours of community service. We'll give you some time to get out of that facility, and we'll close it out upon completion of 12 hours of community service.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. I get out December 7th, so if I can get a little leeway from there to report to the Southwest place.
All right, why don't we do this? Why don't we give you until January the 11th?
You're a stud.
To complete the community service hours.
January 11th?
Yeah, I need a good phone number from you, sir.
Oh, shoot. My phone is in there. There. So just give them this number?
That's all you can give me right now.
Well, actually, we're gonna need a phone number for you to contact the Southwest Detroit community so they can have a contact number from you when you get out.
Oh, my counselor's right here. He says I can give this number and I can call from here when I get out. But I do have the SafeLink phone, those free phones the government gives, but I don't know the number to it.
Probation conditions that are addressed in the warrant have not been met, and those are all of his probation conditions. So Mr. Chico hasn't addressed any of those conditions. He was sentenced on April 2nd of 2019.
All right.
For a few months.
All right. You got an ink pen, sir?
Yes.
Take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. It's 313-879-2155.
Okay, I got it, Your Honor. Thank you very much, man.
You want to raise your right hand, sir?
Yep.
We're almost done.
Yep.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down, please, sir.
For whatever, okay?
Mr. Humphrey.
All right, so you want to extend the probation to what date?
Mr. Humphrey.
Release the year, Judge, either a year from today's date, or we can do a year from the original date.
Mr. Humphreys.
What's your preference?
Mr.
A year from
Humphreys.
today's date is fine, Judge, 10/12/2023. Mr. Humphreys, you heard the recommendation, he's the non-compliant neurologic.
I can't keep doing this.
2155.
You need to write down what the name of that place you got.
Oh, yeah. The name of that place is Southwest what community?
Community Justice Center.
Southwest Community Justice Center?
Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay, thank you. Community Justice Center. And you said, so I'm clear with the court, all the other charges are dropped?
Well, hold on a second. All right. So I want to take you through your rights and take this plea and put it on the record, and we'll get you out of here. So I ask you, you already swore you in, is that correct?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this EWAP ticket is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
I do, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
I do, Your Honor.
Let me ask you this, are you a United States?
Hang in there, everybody.
Mr. Humphreys.
We'll pass this and do one other.
All right, Mr. Humphreys. Mr. Humphreys.
He's got him on mute, that's why.
Yeah, you gotta call him, because I can't, I mean, this Mr. Humphreys. This whole doing this double court, they're just gonna have to stop if they can't keep their They can't keep it separate. James.
Dang, what would have been done by
Mr. Humphreys.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
We can't keep on doing it. You continue to interrupt. I've been calling you for the last couple of minutes and I can't get your attention.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Hold on one second.
Okay. He violated his probation, Judge, and that he failed to report and he failed to pay.
See, Mr. Humphreys, you're not.
$2,238.
Mr. Humphreys.
It is, Judge. I've just spoke with Mr. Davis. His probation term has extended twice.
I can't do it, Mr. Humphreys.
Mr. Davis indicated that he had been off of work and he had lost his job. He states that he's able to pay $300.
Mr. Humphreys.
Give him until next
You can hear me because he's not on mute.
All right, and we're gonna have to get. We're not gonna be able to do this.
Pay that in the probation term.
Oh, hey.
Call him and tell him he's gonna have to get out of the court or bring another, or go to one court or the other. He's gonna have to, I can't do it.
Your Honor, is it okay to go off the record in the meantime?
Of course. You didn't have, I hope that stuff didn't get on the record anyway.
It was. That's why I wanted to just ask permission to go off.
Damn, Humphreys, it would have took 30 more seconds, we would have been done. Don't curse, man. You still.
Yeah, he had some time.
Answer it now. Mr. Humphreys.
Hey, it's Gerard calling for Judge Perkins. We got Mr. Humphreys on Zoom. Can you have him call the courtroom? We have no technical difficulties. I tried to call the number that was in the computer, but I don't know if that's a good number. You might have a current cell phone or something. Tell them to call me at 24. Now it's not 24. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
There he goes.
Mr. Humphreys.
Yes, Your Honor.
I can't do it. You gotta give me the undivided attention because it's something going on with your device. We're having some serious issues with you being able to hear us and a lot of interference from your end.
All right, we can finish, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Bogdy. Where were we? Sir, are you a United States citizen?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record, that is to amend the, enter a guilty plea to the amended count of disorderly conduct, 12 hours of community service once you get out the treatment center and dismiss the other cases? Is anybody
No, Your
offered
Honor.
anything yet? All right. Sir, let me draw your attention back to September the 2nd, 2022 at around 1:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7620 Michigan Avenue. What is that location, sir?
It's an abandoned building, Your Honor.
All right, and that location, did you have permission to be in that building, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct, sir, and with stipulation of probable cause, I'm gonna dismiss the other matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
As it relates to
Yes, Your Honor.
as it relates to
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
this is it, we're doing it again, Mr. Humphrey.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
Yes.
I can't do two things at one time, and especially getting interrupted like that.
Okay, she said. He said yes.
And I mean, you're talking to the trial servant? No, tell him no, that's all right.
No.
If he can,
We almost done, right?
yes, we got one more case.
Okay.
Mr. Humphreys is continue to happen.
Sorry, it's not. Yeah.
I'm here. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm close to a window via a lot of traffic, and I'm sorry this is breaking up.
Hard. And okay, so where was I? Again, 12 hours of community service. We'll close it out under disorderly conduct. We're gonna give Mr. Bogdy a review date of January 11th, 2023. I do need a phone number from you.
Should I give him this number here? I'll give you my sister's number because that's who I'll be living with
That's
when I get
good.
out. Okay,
That's-
313-778-5102. Now, question, when I complete the hours, do they forward it to you or do I gotta bring it to you guys?
They forwarded to me.
All right.
All right. If it's nothing further, sir, I really appreciate your enthusiasm. If you don't have any further questions, you have a very good day, okay?
You too. God bless you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
God bless you as well. All right, last but not least, this is the city of Detroit versus Juan Carlos Guardado Arce. Case number SB 13, strike that, SB 123-11981, SB 130-17321, and SB 130-17331. Appearance for the record, please.
Ok, nuevamente, el último, pero no menos importante, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan Carlos Guardado Arce, número de caso SP 123-11981, SP 130-17321 y 17331. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Es Juan Carlos Guardado Arce.
Juan Carlos Guardado Arce.
Just indicate it.
Your appearance for the record,
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
James Humphrey, el abogado para el día de hoy.
All right, Mr. Goss, where are you?
Señor Goss, ¿está aquí?
All right, he indicated that he wants
Let
to
them
pay.
know that.
Ok, él indicó que él quería pagar.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Señor, ¿usted tiene una licencia de conducir válida?
No, apenas mandé a renovar mi permiso para hacer ese trámite. Lo mandé a renovar hace 6 meses.
No,
Pagué.
I just tried to renew my permit that will allow me to do that, and I tried to renew it 6 months ago.
Have you ever had a valid driver's license?
Señor, ¿alguna vez usted ha tenido una licencia de conducir válida?
No, la estaba sacándola. Había hecho citas antes de que me venciera. pero me lo dieron creo que para 1 año, 2 años eso y no podía manejar y ya hasta después que fui a hacer eso, pero no se me venció el permiso y así no lo dan.
No, with the permit that I had, I tried to get the license, and but the permit expired, and without my permit, I cannot apply for a license.
Mr. Goss, Mr. Guardado has paid, he has 2 separate stops. One stop with the driving while unlicensed, he had a related insurance case and a related equipment violation case. And he paid both of those tickets. The other stop, it seems like he got a 1 to 5 mile and over the speed limit, and the driver's license never acquired. What would you offer him to resolve this? Keeping in mind that he paid the related on the other tickets.
So how many tickets in total?
So he initially had, let her translate. Go ahead, Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, I'm here.
You want to translate that?
Okay. I thought you were talking to me. Okay.
Well, I can let him know. Yeah, he has 3 tickets in total now. He paid 2 related civil infractions on the other 3 tickets. He's got the last name G. He just wants to pay. He can't get a driver's license.
Okay, usted tiene 3 tickets que ya ha pagado, que no son relacionados con esto. Yo lo que quiero es que usted le traduzca que tiene todos estos tickets y él no puede tener una licencia de conducir. Y ahora le pregunta el abogado. Okay, Your Honor.
Okay, Your Honor. So how many in total again?
He's got 3 tickets up for today. And he had 5 tickets in total. He paid 2 related civil infractions. It's a relation of 2 different stops.
Okay, we could just do allowing on one, dismiss the other 2.
Okay, él tiene como 5 tickets. Okay, nosotros podemos poner uno que permitió a alguien sin licencia de manejar y podemos desestimar los otros 2.
Your Honor.
Allowing unlicensed driver to drive 12 hours, either 12 hours of community service or $240. You can speak to Mr. Humphreys in a breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do? And we'll dismiss the other 2 cases.
Okay, señor, usted por el dejar manejar a alguien sin licencia puede pagar 12 horas de servicio comunitario o puede pagar $240.
Mejor los 200.
I want to pay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Disculpe, su señoría.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Usted jura decir la verdad, solo suba la mano. La verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí.
Yes. Well, you put your hand down, sir.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Regarding his 2, were these just 2 incidents, or was it 3?
2 incidents. He had 1 incident was driving an unlicensed with a no proof of insurance and an equipment violation. In that incident, he paid the equipment violation and a no proof of insurance. Okay. Then he got pulled over again, a 1 to 5 and a driver's license never acquired. And those cases are all up to date.
Okay. So that's where the 3 came from. Your Honor, since he paid for the 2 civil infractions, I'll dismiss him. However, the next time if he comes back, I won't give him this opportunity again, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay.
You understand this? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, señor. Él tiene dos tickets separados. tiene uno por violación de equipo, por no licencia y no tener la licencia y no tener aseguranza. Y después otro que tiene por ir a exceso de velocidad de 1 a 5 millas y otro de nunca haber obtenido una licencia. Y él pagó 2, ok, su señoría, pero entonces, ¿cómo estas son dos oportunidades diferentes? Por eso no le quito los otros.
All right, sir, I'm gonna dismiss the cases. This will be a one-time deal, sir. You can't continue to drive if you don't have a driver's license, all right?
Ok, señor, entonces yo voy a desestimar los casos, ok, pero usted no puede manejar. Usted no puede manejar si no tiene una licencia.
Have a great day,
Lo que
sir.
pasa es que en veces para ir a trabajar no tengo
Tenga
que me
buen
lleve.
día. ¿Perdón? Dígame.
En veces para ir a trabajar no tengo quien me lleve. Entonces, en veces, y ese
Sometimes
día que
when
me
I
paró
have to,
venía a trabajar.
sometimes when I have to go to work, I don't have anybody to give me a ride.
Oh, I mean, you keep getting tickets, they're gonna keep pulling you over.
Bueno, señor, si sigue recibiendo tickets, lo van a seguir parando. Lo van a seguir parando.
Ok, entonces, ¿cuándo puedo ir a pagar los tickets?
Okay, so when do I have to go to pay?
You don't, the cases are gonna
You
be
dismissed
dismissed.
the
He's giving
tickets.
you he's giving you a break this time.
Señor, lo que le están diciendo es que le van a desestimar los casos. Si no entiende, diga que no entiende.
No, no entiendo
Le
lo
van
que...
a desestimar los casos. Le van a desestimar los casos. No entiende lo que es desestimar para decirle. Okay, he doesn't understand what dismiss the cases mean.
The cases are closed. We're closing the cases out.
They're thrown
Señor,
out.
lo que eso quiere decir es que le están cerrando los casos, le están quitando los cargos, le están cerrando los cargos, le están quitando todo.
Entonces, que no se va a pagar nada, nomás se cerró el caso.
¿Perdón? ¿Solamente qué?
¿Se cerró el caso o tengo que pagar?
Sí, se cerró el caso. So the case is closed and I don't have to pay anything.
Right.
Exacto, señor. Se cerró el caso y usted no tiene que pagar nada.
Ok. Gracias.
Ok.
Your Honor, can I get a stipulation probable cause?
So
Can we get a
stipulate on behalf
stipulation
of
probable
defendant.
cause, counsel?
Ok,
So stipulate on behalf of
estipular para la
defendant.
causa probable estipulado.
Ok.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Ok, señor, si no tiene nada pendiente ni ninguna otra pregunta, ya se puede retirar.
Ok, que tengan feliz día.
Ok, thank you. To have a happy day.
All right. Let's see. This is the city of Detroit. This is the last one called Maria Luisa Escalara, case number SP 11806601, SP 125300041, SP 787930, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 787931, counts 1 and counts 2, 13, 4884051, SP 125300043. Ms. Escalarza was ordered to do 50 hours of community service. Today is the date and time set for review. I have a report from the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Just they did get in contact with her. She indicated that she needed an extension on a couple of times. The initial court date was on March the 30th, 2022. She was granted extensions on 7/6/2022 and 8/10/2022. The extensions were given because they indicated that she was a victim of domestic violence, suspected domestic violence, and had no phone. Ms. Quinteo went to her home, the last known address. She did make contact with Mr. Escalara, and she explained to her the multitude of problems that she had. Ms. Quinteo encouraged her to come to the agency and they could potentially help her. She agreed and has not kept her appointment. Ms. Quinteo ran into her in the community and confirmed that she is a victim of domestic violence and homelessness.
Solo puedo.
So I'm not sure how to handle it either. They're not sure how to handle it. So, you know, I don't believe in putting warrants out necessarily, especially cash warrants out necessarily on people that are in this type of situation. It's a difficult situation for her, and it becomes a difficult situation for the court. So I don't really know what to do myself. Anybody have any suggestions?
Your Honor, how about,
Please go.
I was gonna say, why don't we set it out for like another 90-day review, and hopefully within that time, possibly she can, she might come to the court, and at that time, we gave her over 7 months to try to get this resolved.
Is this Maria?
Yeah.
Okay, did they tell you? Okay, the next situation?
Yeah.
Oh, they did, okay.
All right. All right, I mean, that's all we really can do. She appears to be in a bad situation, and hopefully somebody can get her some help. I know over at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, if she makes it over there, they have a lot of resources for her. So hopefully we can get her to you and get her there. But anything outside of that, it's just, I mean, it's just, I don't think it's the right thing to do. So, all right, any other questions? That'll conclude the day. I appreciate everybody's diligence and hard work on the docket today. If there's nothing further, we're going to conclude the day.